Guys, it's Mr. Jose.
I'm Coach Scott.
And we're going to teach you how to make a 4th of July craft today. Our supplies are a black sheet of construction paper, 3 tubes of paint, some rubber bands, and plastic straws. Preferably a black sheet of paper so it'll have a nice contrast with the red, white, and blue. What I did first is I grabbed 6 pieces of straws, and then I kind of just tied them up with the rubber band, as you can see. And then we laid out individual blots of paint. And what you're gonna do is just, after you've tied them up and everything, you're gonna dip them up, and then you're gonna press them on the paper. And just to make sure, just push down on the head of the straws, just so we're sure that the paint is on there good. Then after that, we're gonna repeat the same thing, but with different colored types of paint. Like I said before, you're gonna wanna press down on the heads just to make sure that we really got the paint. Last but not least, the white. And that's our final product. You can do more than one. It's an easy 2-minute craft.